Hello, everyone. In this video, we'll discuss what exactly the summary page contains in an A/B test. First, we can check and verify if the experimental URLs are provided correctly. We can see how many variants have been created and how they are distributed. Next, we look at the different sets of goals configured for this experiment and identify the primary goal. We can also check the amount of participation in this experiment, as well as the target audience. We review what kind of experimental method we have chosen and how we are activating the experiment. If the heat map is enabled, we can view the heat map details here as well. On the right-hand side, we can see the experimental timeline, which gives us detailed insights into who made changes and when for this specific experiment. To check if a variation is working correctly, we can use the Launch QA mode. Before launching an experiment, we can always verify if the variation changes are applied correctly. Just click on Launch QA. This will open a new window where the QA mode dialog box appears on the left-hand side. Here, we can see all the experiments configured for this page and how many variants have been created. To check if the variation has been applied correctly, just click on Variation 1. We can verify if the changes are perfectly aligned. For Variation 2, we check again to ensure the changes are correct. We can also toggle between devices like desktop, tablet, and mobile. It is possible to define an audience segment by choosing different segmentation options available here to see how the variation would look for a specific group. Events help us understand what clickable actions are happening on that specific page. This is how we use QA mode before launching an experiment. This covers the summary page. If you have any queries or need clarification, please feel free to reach out to our support team. Thank you.